You don't need a reason to buy one of these. You need a damn good reason not to buy one of them. What is going on? Today's video is an unboxing video, which is convenient because I've got a box and I'm going to unbox the box. So this was sent to me by Bill and Ollie from Superior Level. I do know what's in here and I'm excited about it, like really excited about it. Some of the other brand ambassadors have been making a bit of noise about this product. It's their latest product. I've seen posts, I've seen pictures, but I haven't got eyes on in person. So I've had this box a few weeks and it's been sat behind me, staring at me on the bench, whispering to me, open me. Today is the day I'm gonna open this box. Let's change the camera angle and get on with it. So a few months ago, Superior Level sent me a set of their All Tray 2 levels. This is one of them, and I spoke to you about the quality of them, the robustness of them, the attention to detail, the engraving still there. Look, after a few months of in and out the van, up and down scaffolding, and generally getting used and abused. Absolutely in love with these things. They really are fabulous. So this is pocket level. It is a pocket level. I know that because, well, they told me. But the box, right? The box tells you about the lifetime guarantee, tells you about the warranty, gives you a bit of information there about Superior Levels themselves. Personal touch, thanks from Bill and Ollie. Even before I've opened it, it's the same as last time round. Really impressive setup, really impressive way of going on. Let's get it peeled. Pretty sick knife for an unboxing video though, don't you think? Open sesame. Thick box, well packaged, bubble wrap. Let's see. Let me tell you, any hand tool that comes in its own drawstring bag is going to be impressive. Made in the UK. Here we go. Look at this. That, genuinely, I have not held one of these before. That exceeds my expectations. This is a thing of beauty. Ah, there, look. SB. More specifically, S.B. You see that? Hopefully you can. But that, close up, seriously beautiful piece of engineering. Beautiful hand tools, marvellous. Back in a sec. That's better. There's my face, back in the camera. Right, I've just had 5 minutes alone time with my pocket level, built a bit of a relationship with it, and I absolutely love it. Exceeded my expectations, better than what I'd seen in the photographs and in the videos on Instagram. It's a thing of absolute perfection, really. The buildings and the structures that I build, they're high-end things. To build them, I like to use high-end tools. I don't have to, but I choose to. This fits that description perfectly. This will live in the toolbox and come out at every possible opportunity. The attention to detail is spectacular. It's gonna make me feel great when I use it. It's gonna make me wanna do as good a job as I possibly can. I said that on the last video, and I meant it. You don't need a reason to buy one of these. You need a damn good reason not to buy one of these. It's that good. I get excited about hand tools and nice things like this. I hope you guys do too. There's a link in the bio, there's a Linktree link in the bio. Click on that, click on the Superior Levels thing, go and have a look. If you don't follow Superior Levels on Instagram, you should. That said, happy shopping people. Go check them out. Bye for now.